Good day, sir. My name is Chong Kar Min, laboratory 287173. For my assignment 1, I chose the theme of Smart Home Air Conditioning Control System. In this video, I will show how I assemble those components on the breadboard and also demonstrate how my system is working. For this system, I will use breadboard, ESP8266, DHT11, Oled display, a few of mil-to-mil jumpers, and also a micro USB cable. So I will follow the freezing design to assemble those components on the breadboard. So first of all is the ESP8266, and followed by the DHT11 and also the Oled display. Next, I will connect them using the mil-to-mil jumper. So first one is ground. Connect with the ground. Then VCC. Connect with the 3.3 volt on the ESP8266. And next is the DAT. Connect to the D4 pin on the ESP8266. Then for the OLED display, I will connect the ground to the ground, then VDD to the 3.3 volt, then is SDK to the D1 pin, and also lastly is the SDA connect to the D2 pin of the ESP8266. So that's it. So next, I will connect the system with the micro USB cable to the laptop. So after assembling all the things with the laptop, so I will first verify the code. Then I will click on the upload button to upload the data. So the data will be start uploading in percentage. So after successfully uploading the data, it will showing the real-time temperature and humidity on the OLED display. So it will be changed in real time if there got any changes made. So next, the user can connect with the smart home Wi-Fi to access to the main page of the system. So user can go to the Google and access to the 194.168.4.1 to access to the system. So the value of the web page will be same as the OLED display. So the temperature is 34 and the humidity is 79. So the user can control the aircon by using these two buttons on the web page. So when the user click on the turn on aircon button, there will be a light on the ESP8266 indicate that the aircon is open. When the user click on the turn off aircon button, the light will be turned off. Other than these two buttons, the user can also directly route to the on to on the light or the aircon, and the user also can route to the off to turn off the light, which is the aircon. That's all for me. Thank you.